In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. This task is essential for maintaining a professional appearance and a cohesive brand message, even when someone decides to unsubscribe from your mailing list. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to find your way to Mailchimp's Form Builder, which is the central hub for managing various subscriber interactions, including the unsubscribe success page. Begin by heading to Mailchimp's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Ensuring you're logged in is crucial because otherwise, you won't be able to make any changes to your audience settings. Once inside your Mailchimp account, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Click on the Audience tab. This is where you can manage all aspects of your subscribers, from viewing them to adjusting settings for different audiences. Within this tab, look for an option labeled Sign Up Forms in the drop-down menu. Clicking here will lead you to where you need to be. Now you'll see several options for managing forms, but for this task, choose Form Builder. The Form Builder is a powerful tool that Mailchimp provides to let you customize various forms and emails that your audience interacts with. When you're in the Form Builder, there will be a drop-down menu prominently featured under the section titled Forms and Response Emails. Click on this drop-down, and from the list of options, select Unsubscribe Success Page. This selection will bring up the particular page you want to customize, allowing you to edit the content that users see after they choose to unsubscribe. At this stage, you'll see the existing text that comprises your unsubscribe success page. While Mailchimp restricts you from adding or removing unsubscribe reasons, you certainly have the flexibility to modify the text to better fit your brand's voice or to convey a final message you think is important. For example, you might want to personalize the message with a thank you for their past interactions, or provide a light-hearted farewell to leave a lasting positive impression. After you're satisfied with the text modifications, it's vital to save your changes. This step ensures that the new wording will be live and visible to anyone who interacts with the unsubscribe process. Forgetting to save is a common mistake, so always double check that your updates are secure. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you ensure that every point of contact with your audience, even when they choose to leave, reflects your brand and maintains professionalism. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.